Problem number 5. A unicyclist goes around a circular track at radius 30 meters at an amazingly fast constant speed of 10 meters per second. At what angle to the left or right of vertical must the unicyclist lean to avoid falling? Assume that the height of the unicyclist is much smaller than the radius of the track. Problem number 6. A cubical box of mass 10 kg with edge length 5 meters is free to move on a frictionless horizontal surface. Inside is a small box of mass 2 kg, which moves without friction inside the box. At time t equals 0, the block is moving with a velocity 5 meters per second directly towards one of the faces of the box, while the box is initially at rest. The coefficient of restitution for any collision between the block and box is 90%, meaning that the relative speed between the box and the block immediately after a collision is 90% of the relative speed between the box and the block immediately before the collision. After 1 minute, the block is at displacement x from the original position. Which of the following is closest to x? Problem number 7. A 1 meter long stick with a uniform density is allowed to rotate about a point 30 centimeters from its end. The stick is perfectly balanced when 50 gram mass is placed on the stick 20 centimeters from the same end. What is the mass of the stick? Problem number 8. An object of mass m is hung on a vertical spring or spring constant k and is set into vertical oscillations. The period of this oscillation is t0. The spring is then cut in half and the same mass is attached, and the system is set up to oscillate on a frictionless inclined plane, making an angle theta to the horizontal. Determine the period of the oscillations on the inclined plane in terms of t0.